Hello there everyone, G-Mech again, back with another video. Just wanted to show you the finished product of my 1978 F150. Been kind of busy, had some camera trouble, and just wanted to show you my somewhat finished job. These sill plates I want to replace, but put a new carpet in. Refinished up like in the last video I showed what I was going to do on the side of the floor. That's all done. It's all painted. I do have some paint work to do here, but it's time to drive this thing. I enjoy shifting gears, so we're going to take this guy out on the road, but I just want to show this short video on how I finished this up with a new carpet. This is another seat out of another 78 F150. Had it reupholstered. Turned out really nice. Just works really well. The carpet came from, I bought it so long ago, I want to say it was J.C. Whitney. Cleaned up the interior here a little bit. Then I took and it's been sitting in my garage for 2.5 years. Moved around here and there, but it shined it up a little bit. I have some more to do to it. But like I said, I want to drive it and enjoy it. You can see it's all finished up. And I'll do a dash cam video and shifting gear video on my next video on it. So thanks for watching. This is G-Mech. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I want to also say thank you to the recent subscribers I have. I'm a slow moving channel, starting from scratch. I wanted to tell everyone out there who watches my videos, thank you for taking your hard time, because time is a commodity all of us take for granted. I just want to tell you thank you very much for taking the time and watching my videos. And with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, you know the deal. Just told you that before, but remember, keep on wrenching.